but talagang napakadami, overwhelming. There's unity with managers. Nagdala sila from all over the place. Umabot ata kami ng almost 800.
Long live MMM! Mabuhay! Together, we can change the world.
Yung mga indigent ngayon, yung mga natanggap nila, notebooks, toothbrush, toothpaste, towel, tapos yun nga, may lapis nga daw, yung tuwan-tuwa yung mga bata.
Yung mga kids, they feel like they're very special. They have their own shirt. And then yung the fact na they go to the middle of the stage and then we have a picture of them, di ba? Nagpakuha sila. Parang they're very, very special.
Sobra, hindi ko ina-expect na ganito karami yung atin, lalo na yung mga indigent. Hindi maganda ugad kasi gusto talaga nila na sila'y tulungan. Pero naintindihan nila bandang huli na pwede pala silang tumulong. Yun ang gustong-gusto ko doon sa ganitong charity event.
Especially our event, our children are very happy, even our parents, and also us, professors here, we are all blessed. We are all blessed and it's an amazing.
Alam nyo naman tayo sa daming nangyayari sa ating bansa. Kaya ako po, in my capacity as the chairman of the moral recovery ng ating bansa, I am endorsing this MMM Philippines in our country to our friends, sa lahat ng mga gustong makatulong. Kasi ang nakita ko po dito, the main postulate objectives is to help.
Natuwa po ako kasi po kahit pa paano po nakatulong po yung regalo para sa eskwela ng mga bata.
Sana pagpatuloy pa nila yan, hindi lang dito sa Las Piñas, sa iba pang lugar para mas marami pa silang matulungan ng mga tao.
Sobrang ganda ng MMM. Talagang kaya mo siyang ipagmalaki sa lahat ng tao.
As bishop here in the Philippines, I am praying that this organization will be blessed by God.
Yes, thank you MMM for this great and passionate event. Long live MMM.
I'm Anton Bernardo, manager of MMM Philippines. Together, we can change the world.
Sir Roman, Sir Alex, Sir Andrew, Ma'am Jerda, Ma'am Anna, and every managers in the whole world, salamat na, maraming salamat sa inyo for trusting me, trusting all the managers here in the Philippines to spread the good news of MMM. Thank you very much.